All right, if you're going to be taking a urine test coming up here and you are a little bit worried, this is going to have you covered. You're going to be good to go. So what we're going to do first is we're going to, this monitors the temperature. So you got two of these bottles right here. Obviously you just need one. So I'm just going to take one of these, take one of these temperature strips right here. I'm going to just unstick that basically from this piece. Take that off, and we're just going to slap it on the bottle right there. Now we're going to be able to monitor the temperature because that's going to come in handy because it needs to be body temperature. A lot of people even use hand warmers, as I'll show you in just a second. So this is where the urine is going to be. You're going to put it down inside of here. A lot of people will also they'll throw the hand warmer down in there. And so what we're going to do, we'll zip that shut. Now we're going to come in here, right in there with this is going to go around our leg. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring the strap in through here like this. We're going to pull it through right there. And now I'm going to put this on my leg right here. So we're going to slap it around the leg. And now, ideally, I'm going to have most people are going to be wearing longer shorts, but that's what you'll do right there. Where you can bring that up. I mean, it even works with these. Wow, even works with these. So now it's hidden. You're good to go. So as you can see, this thing's amazing. It's going to come in very handy for you. Very important. Highly recommend.